Welcome coders. In this channel, we will be talking about many technologies. Firstly, we would start with Android application development. So in these video lectures, we will be talking about Android application development using Kotlin. In this introductory video, let's talk briefly about the history of Android, various versions of Android, few facts about Android, and then we'll see how we can develop Android applications. I mean like platforms used and languages used. At the end, we'll see why using Kotlin is advantageous. So let's get started. Android is basically a mobile operating system. Coming to the history of Android, it was developed in 2003, but its initial release was in 2008. It was developed in California. The operating system is somewhat similar to Unix, and its kernel is a modified Linux type. Among the years, there have been various versions of Android, out of which the latest one is Android 10, which was released in 2019. The advanced operating system was built aiming the digital cameras initially. On the screen, you can see various versions of Android, and it can be noticed that majority of the users are using the Lollipop and Marshmallow versions. Android operating systems target mainly the smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, smartwatches, etc. By 2011, it became the best-selling OS for smartphones, and by 2013, it became the best-selling OS for tablets as well. For the people who want to take Android development as a career option, there are many websites available through which you can freelance Android application development. This technology can also improve one's profile. Majority of Android was developed by Google. Now, coming to the most important part, where can we build Android applications? There are many platforms to build Android applications, such as Flutter, Mobile Roadie, App Maker, App Machine, etc. These platforms require very minimal coding knowledge, but the most efficient in building applications is Android Studio. It is by far the most powerful tool and IDE used for Android development. It provides many features such as ease in debugging errors, giving a fast emulator, and also has Gradle functionality, which will be later on explained in the course. The UI for your application can be built by simple drag and drop functionality. Using Kotlin is advised for beginners. Lastly, we'll discuss why the use of Kotlin is preferred. It is easy to write code. Huge Java code can be written in less number of lines using Kotlin. One major advantage is that it is completely interoperable with Java. And also it has null data type, which solves many problems arised by Java. Don't worry, this will be clearly explained later on. The code readability and maintenance is also easy in Kotlin. So in the coming couple of videos, we'll discuss about the basics of Kotlin required for Android application development. Until then, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.